and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and that's where I wanna be forever. I used to have low self-esteem, thoughts stung like bullets in the breeze. Someone touching my strings and sang a song I've never heard, something so sweet. I found you, my world is now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and that's where I wanna be. Back then, I was so stupid. Too much anger in the eyes, alone at home with no supplies. I'm froze, all my old dreams. Let's give the past where it belongs, and I said what is to come. I found you, my world is now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and that's where I wanna be. I found you, my world is now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and that's where I wanna be forever. Can't stay cool out. Why do my worst enemy waits for me? Again, talking too loud, showing the world that he's in charge here. Your face can't deny it. No matter what you say, the eyes don't show lights. No way, no way. You can't disguise recycle all the hurt that bursts from the side. That's all you let need. I never wait, and you are still so long. Got power in your eyes, keep you open doors. I never wait, and you are still so lost. improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love, right? Do we all have to grind before we reach the destination? Running from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Oh, come on. Hey you, don't fall with this hurricane. I know, there is hope in your hand. Move on, it's just the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can try again. Lights may blind you, the crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. Free might take you higher, not on your fake post, how do you crying? Feel the wisdom floating over your heads, and I feel alright when I see you and I going together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love, right? Do we all have to cry before we reach the given ascension? Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Come on. And I feel alright when I see you and I going together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love, right? Do we all have to grind before we reach the given ascension? Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow. Yeah, to see you and I going together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love, right? Do we all have to cry before we reach the given ascension? Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow. Life, we don't know what it is, so I'm asking why. We just spend the days and struggle to survive. That's my fate. Survive. When you bump nature things you love to find, then you realize what's wrong with paradise. To get paid, you need to earn it